Welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to receive free and awesome videos from our channel, friends. And remember to hit the bell icon so you can receive more interesting videos from our channel. Hello wonderful girls, welcome back to Fashion Trends, and today in our video we're going to be seeing about boat neck net blouse design. So today I'm going to be talking about how can you pair up these net blouse with boat necks with your sarees, and where can you wear these, and what are the amazing designs of net blouse. So without asking a minute, let's get back into this awesome video. But before we remember to like to our channel, and also remember to subscribe to our channel. So without asking a minute, let's jump into this video. So friends, talking about the net ideas, you can try going on with net blouse, and basically you can try going on with flower based floral designs in them, or you can try going on with unique embroidery and working with chunkies and other glitters into your beautiful net blouse. So friends, talking about where can you wear these net blouses with both necks, you can try wearing these in weddings, engagements, traditional occasions and festivals. Now if you try taking it in a modern theme or pattern, you can try going on wearing it with a party or a fair. These give you such a beautiful look, and you can try wearing it in all of the occasions. You can try wearing these in any beautiful occasion, and it gives you such a unique look. So friends, talking about the sarees to match it up with, you can try matching these with all sarees like silk saree, Banarasi saree, Kanjipuram patti sarees. You can even try matching these with your Banarasi sarees, or you can try matching these with your beautiful and amazing organza, satin and georgette cotton linen sarees. Now as boat neck gives you a deep and a beautiful look, it also gives you such an amazing look. So hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. If so, remember to like to our channel, and also remember to subscribe to our channel. So friends, you can purchase similar types of these net worked blouses with both necks by clicking the link below in the description box. Friends, you can purchase these on Amazon, and they're absolutely beautiful and amazing. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and to subscribe to our channel. So bye friends, see you next awesome video.